Once upon a time, in a peaceful village, there lived a kind and hard-working farmer. The farmer had two sons who were growing up fast. The elder was named Michael, and the younger, William. The farmer owned many lands, green fields, orchards, and a big farm. As the farmer grew older, he decided it was time to divide his property between his two sons. The farmer carefully split his land and property into two parts and showed it to his sons, but the sons were not happy. Each one felt the other was getting a better share. The farmer said,
"My dear sons, I have carefully divided the land and my property into two equal parts."
The elder son said,
"Father, this isn't a fair decision. All I ask is that we both receive an equal share."
The younger son said,
"Father, I respect your decision, but I feel this division is not equal. What you've given me is clearly less than my brother's."
The farmer said,
"Enough, my sons. If I divide it, one of you will always feel it's unfair. Let's ask someone wise for help."
There was a wise man in the village, well known for his fair and thoughtful decisions. So, the farmer and his sons walked to the edge of the village to seek help from the wise man known for his fairness. When they reached the wise man's house, he welcomed them and asked,
"What brings you here with such troubled faces?"
The farmer said,
"We seek your guidance. I try to divide my land equally between my two sons, but each believes the other is receiving more. I don't want conflict between them. We've come to you in hope of a fair solution."
The wise man smiled and said,
The solution is quite simple. Let your elder son, Michael, divide the land and property into two equal parts, and let your younger son, William, choose his share first from the two. This way, both your sons will be satisfied with the division.
The elder son took his time and divided the land and property as equally as he could, knowing that his younger brother would choose his share first from the two parts. Then, the younger son was the first to choose the part he liked. In the end, both sons were happy because they had received equal shares. The farmer smiled. His sons had learned a valuable lesson. Moral of the story: when fairness matters, let one person divide into two equal parts, and allow the other to choose one of the two. This way, both remain honest and happy.